probably do it again, put a video on it. Fuck, look at the smoke. Sink.
I don't really get a chance to get going.
I want to see this little thing go pinging off its head again. Get up beside it. Get skinny! Oh, someone's cruising in the tow truck.
Oh, you gotta pick up that orange thing. Down here in the wet.
Fuck yeah, look at him creeping. Look at us creeping! Ooh yeah! Ooh yeah!
Didn't have this much balls before. That was third.
Who's got balls? We got balls. Don't you be bringing your shit around here. No way. Oh, look out, the police are on him.
Is that the coppers? No.
No, safety car.
Safety car.
Thought it was a popo, I'm like, we're all fucked! Not one of us are doing the speed limit.
Well, they can't do shit for people, on people, because it's fucking, it's unregistered cars and it's a fucking racetrack.
I want to see this little thing get crazy. Don't get up. No. Give him some room, man. This guy's good entertainment. Nice work, but he's still going for it. I wonder how much of a lap he can do with blown tyres. How many laps am I going to record? Fuck it, I'll just leave it running. Hi people! Back to second gear, do something silly.
Don't really need second.
Oh my god, that was silly.
You want it silly, Jared?
Who brought the stock Falcon Ute out here? I wonder how many tyres this guy brought with him. Nice!
Combination my smoke and his smoke. So put the window down, let it out.
Wow. It's all good news, boys. It's all good news. In the water. I'm just being useless now.